Good luck. Yeah, it's the weekend. Let's fish. In a row. Within minutes. We even haven't had a chance to put this guy away. We just got him. And then now Girly got one. Is he fighting good? Oh, big whale over there. Oh, that whale ain't gonna go after the salmon.
Yeah, right.
It won't. Oh, he's going over there. Hey, all right, let me get over. Let me go. Holy shit, he looks big. He looks big. Keep that tip up. Looking good. There you go. Ooh, he's a big guy. Go over. God damn it. Wow. He's big. My pole. Holy shit, look at this. Look at this guy. Holy shit. Oh my god, he must be. Holy. Oh shit. It's got a double header. Both of us are on. Girly's gonna fight hers first. We're done. Oh, lift that bitch up. Oh, mine's still out there fighting. Girly's having troubles with hers. I don't see him yet. Come on. Mine's still out there fighting. Okay, here he is. Here he is. Got him! Got him.
See if it's 28.
Oh yeah, that's 28.
Okay, get yours then.
Okay.
Go get yours first.
All right, let me get mine. We still got 3 fish on the ground. All right, let me get mine. Oh, he's ripping. He must be tired by now, though. Oh, he's way out there. Oh, we're gonna have to. Oh, yeah. Missed him. Missed him. Okay. Keep that tight. Got him. I had to gap him. Woo! God, that's a beautiful fish. 4 fish, baby, within the last 30 minutes. Give or take. Holy shit. We didn't have any time to put any of the fish away.